everybody. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've been able to get in the shop. I've kind of taken a break from the spring season of craft shows and took a little rest, but we're back in the swing of things and making some things, and wanted to share an idea that I have seen online, and I gave it a try today. But I have made coffee grinders for shows, and of course they come in kits. This one being walnut with an overhead, workable coffee grinders. Coffee goes in there and you grind it, and just a lidded box type concept. There's also another style that I have done, which is the hand crank. This made out of hackberry. Same idea. Coffee stores in there, and you have coffee stored in there. The thought that entered my mind was they're really neat, and a lot of people use them as decor for their kitchens and stuff, but they are workable coffee grinders. If people are interested in hand cranking, I know there's electrics and battery operated out there. However, I came up with another one that I saw online, and I gave it a try, but it includes a mason jar with a turned top, and the jar washable, so it's you can keep it clean. The other ones you have to wipe out. Obviously no dishwasher type stuff in wood products, but just inserted the ring, glued the ring with epoxy inside, and it's very sturdy to handle the turn. But you can store your coffee in a glass jar. So same concept, and coffee beans go there, grind it, and stored in the glass. So that was what my third one that I tried, and that's what we're going to do today. It's basically just a top with a recess to insert the cap from the mason jar. The mason jars, of course, come with the sealing ring, the sealing cap, and then the threaded lid. You won't use the sealing top at all. You'll leave that open, and then the only thing I really had to alter were the mounting screws, and this is made out of cherry, which is a good hard wood, and I tapped 832 holes in the wood and threaded it, and it holds it very good, and put a little dab of thick CA glue on top of that screw so it won't back out in any way. So anyway, this is what we're doing today. I want to show you how we did it, and made out of cherry. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and any comments are always welcome, good or bad, and I'll always reply. So thanks for watching, and here's how we did it.